Today we're going to have a quick look at my other trading platform. This is FAIRTRADE, and this is my portfolio on FAIRTRADE, which I've had running for some time. Unfortunately, I did most of my investments before the lockdown, and well, all of them before the lockdown and the coronavirus crash, and my investments down by £227. It's now worth just over £1,000, as you can see. I'll just run through the companies I've got my shares invested in. CIVITAS Social, they specialise in social housing, renting it out. I'll just quickly give you a brief description. The REIT invests in social housing, yes, and as it's a REIT, they are obliged to give 95% of their profit in the forms of a dividend. Primary health, they own properties such as doctors, surgeries and healthcare centres. J.P.M.E.M, that's a government bond. Emerging markets and government bonds, that give you exposure to, as it says, government debt and emerging markets. It's meant to be quite a secure one, and that's up 2.6%. Imperial Brands, it's the tobacco industry. It's I think people are addicted to nicotine, so they'll buy tobacco products wherever you go. It's not really an ethical share to own, but I do own some shares in them, and they're down 11%. Starbucks, we all know Starbucks. Good bit of news today. Our local Starbucks drive-through has just reopened with the government relaxation of the lockdown, and yes, Starbucks, their drive-through has reopened today, so hopefully the shares may go up. DERWENT London, I think they are a yes, they are an investment company in property, and they're down as well. I've got to see all of my things. British Land, they own buildings in this country, property. They're down 43%. Not very good news. The FTSE 250. I think that's a fund that tracks the 250 most popular or 250 most popular companies after the FTSE 100, from what I understand. I'll just quickly see if it says that. You could do some research yourself on this one. Tracks the performance of an index, a widely recognised benchmark of mid-cap size companies in the United Kingdom. They are. I wasn't far off from what I was saying there. So they give you exposure to the British stock market. TRITAG Big Box, they own warehouses that they let out to the likes of Amazon. Great Portland Estates, they own property. I would say TRITAG Big Box is down 10%. Great Portland Estates down 27%. AVIVA, some a very well known insurance company in the UK, down 42%. Standard Chartered Bank, that's an Asian bank, down 38%. SSE, that's a Scottish power company that generates also, down 12%. HSBC, Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation, down 28%. FTSE 100, that's a fund that tracks the FTSE 100, down 22%. Standard & Poor 500 shares, down 7%. WPP, not quite sure what they do, I can't remember. Hang on, I will find out their details. A dominant advertising and marketing group, that's it. Yeah, they're a marketing agency, an advertising agency. They're down 43%. BP, British Petroleum, a large British-owned oil exploration and oil company, down 37%. Vodafone, the mobile phone company, down 19%. Marks and Spencer's, the great British retail company, down 53%. Pan African Resources, I think that's a gold exploration company, and they're up 19%. That reflects the price of gold. That's one good one to have. William Hill, a betting company, down 23%. 888, that's an online betting company or gambling company. I think interactive gaming experience for its customers. The firm is based in Gibraltar. Entertainment, and that's one piece of good news. Greatland Gold, that's another gold exploration company, up 79%, doing well there. Lloyds Banking down 32%. Renewable infrastructures, they invest in renewable energy, down 3%. RIGHTMOVE, that's a property platform, which, as I say, the market's gone a bit stagnant with the coronavirus shutdown, the housing market. They're down 23%. BARATT, that's a housing company. For some reason, they've gone up 10%. And a lot of house builders stopped building, but now have started building again. Hurricane Energy, they're down 26%. Hurricane Energy are I think they're, hang on. And I can find the details. Here we go. Oil and gas exploration firm focused on developing hydrocarbon resources from naturally fractured basement reservoirs. Hurricane operates mainly on the UK continental shelf. Yes, that's an oil exploration company. GRAINGER, they rent out houses to the public, and are the largest private housing landlord in the UK, and also they rent out houses in Germany. They own houses they rent out, as far as I can remember, and they're down 17%. On the Beach, a travel agency. Now, I got this share free of charge because I recommended someone else, and Freetrade give you a random share free of charge, and but that's down 30%. Bushveld, I think they are a low-cost vanadium mining and processing firm. Its product, vanadium, is a metal used in the manufacture of high-strength steel. It's an unusual mining company, and that's a very low value on a penny share, as one might say. Down 16%. IBSTOCK, that's a UK-based facing brick manufacturer, down 39%. Sound Energy, they are a penny. It must have been some penny shares I bought for some reason. The firm provides energy solutions serving customers throughout UK and Italy. They manage a portfolio of gas assets from production to development, and they've gone down a lot. So anyway, yeah, that's another one. And so that is my total portfolio of companies that I've invested in. And I say the value is $1,012.99, down by $227.01 since I began investing. So that's a little update. Well, that's my first time I've done a video on my FAIRTRADE platform of the shares I own in my portfolio. Hope you found it interesting, and as you say, I bought these before the downturn, and a lot of my shares have gone down. But if you look at ones that have gone up or stayed stable, that might give you some ideas of where you can possibly invest. Until next time, I would like to say goodbye.